So I made this system for writing down spells in D&D, right? And one of the common problems that people have with it is they're like, okay, but if I want to draw out these 13 points, that's really difficult and hard and annoying, which, I mean, they're right. Now, technically it doesn't matter where the 13 points are, so it doesn't need to be totally uniform, but I also get that uniform points just look a bit better. So I'm going to show you how you can do it always uniform without getting a template made for this. And this is also just how to draw any regular polygon, basically. So, as a rule of thumb, all regular polygons are just made up of triangles. And the angle on the inside of this triangle, the one that's closest to the center, is going to be 360 degrees divided by the number of sides of that polygon. Now, the distance from the center to one of these points on the outside, we're going to call that R, and the side length we're going to call L. Now, each of these triangles can then be split into two right angle triangles. So the angle here is 360 degrees divided by 2 times the number of sides, and we get R on the hypotenuse, and then L over 2, that's this length. So we're kind of cutting it along here. We get L over 2 on the opposite side. And so we can use SOHCAHTOA, or well, just sine. So sine theta equals the opposite, L over 2, divided by the hypotenuse, which is R. We can get that L is equal to 2R times sine theta 360 divided by 2n. So why does this help? I want to draw a regular polygon on this circle. I just used a compass. You can buy these real cheap. Do that. The radius of this circle is about 1.8 centimeters. Let's say I want to draw a regular polygon with 7 sides. I can plug all that into here and I get L equals 1.56 centimeters. All I then have to do is start from any point, so here I've drawn in my starting point, find 1.56 or about 1.6 centimeters, and then draw a new point. And then I can just repeat this going around the circle, so it's where on this arc we are 1.56 centimeters away from the previous point. And look at that, we have a circle with 7 points around it. So when you're doing the spell writing stuff, that's 13 points. I wasn't going to do that on this because it just take me a bit of time. But there you go, it's not going to be totally perfect, I can only measure so well. But you'll always get a pretty good polygon out of it, and that'll help you when you want to write lots of spells. Anyway, have a lovely day. Okay, bye.